Hi, Janet with Feather Canyon, and today we are going to look at exposing the color bands in Spencer Opal. And I'm going to show you a couple of different ways of doing this today and tomorrow. This is a piece of the Spencer Opal. It's got a little bit of the chert matrix still, and it's very difficult to actually see the color bands. There you can see a nice flash of one of them, and then where my marker is, there's another one, and so there you can see just about how thick they are. And for a color band in opal, that's really pretty thick. Now if you look at where my markers are, that is another color band. And one thing that you want to notice is that as you follow that around, start here, 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 they are not parallel to what you would think of as either the top or the bottom of this piece of rock. So when you're cutting it, you want to make sure that you're cutting just above the color band, because if you cut if you cut parallel to the top, then you're going to cut through that band. And what you want to do is you want to cut parallel to the color band, as close to it as you can, in order to expose it. It's better to cut too far away from it than it is to cut into it, because then you can grind it down. I'm going to use the trim saw, and I'm going to try to cut parallel to where my markers are. I've got one here, here, here. So again, I don't want to cut parallel to the bottom or the top of the rock. I want to cut where the color band is. And I'm going to try to cut to this side of the color band. And it's best to take it off a little bit at a time. Good example of why you should cut it a little bit at a time, because if you look on this side and see how close I was to the markers, and on this side a little bit further away from the markers. So now I can turn it a little bit more and make sure that I get where those markers are. I already see the color in this pretty well exposed across that surface, and then especially down here. Up here, I'm still a little bit away from the collar band, but I can work that down with the grinding wheel rather than the saw. And then also, this is the first piece that I cut off. You can see that got some pretty good color in that one. So I can cut this one down to a smaller piece of opal as well. And these are thick enough that I can cut the back off of this and shape it and not necessarily have to back it or stabilize it. So that's one advantage of the Spencer Opal, especially this old stock. This is material that was collected 30 or 40 years ago, and it's pretty good material. So I can cut this and shape it without having to cut it down.